So this is the retake for the Unit 1 test, Objective 1 on HOGRACER. On your Google form, go ahead and fill in your first name, your last name, and what period you have biology. I'm just going to read through all the questions. If I'm going too fast, you can always stop, rewind to hear the question again, but I'm just going to read straight through. So the first question is matching. So our first column says, a paramecium divides and passes on its DNA. Is this homeostasis, organized, grow and develop, reproduction, adapt and evolve, cells, energy, respond to the environment? So again, a paramecium divides and passes on its DNA. Which part of HOGRACER does that describe? The next column says, pandas eat bamboo, and bamboo makes food by photosynthesis. Is this an example of homeostasis, organized, grow and develop, reproduction, adapt and evolve, cells, energy, or respond to the environment? A panda eats bamboo, and a bamboo makes food by photosynthesis. The next question says, tadpoles change into frogs by losing their tail. Is this an example of homeostasis, organized, grow and develop, reproduction, adapt and evolve, cells, energy, or respond to stimuli? Again, that's tadpoles changing into their adult frog form by losing their tails. The fourth column says humans have many organ systems like digestive, excretory, and each of these has different parts with different jobs. So the body has many different body systems, like digestive and excretory, and it has different parts with different jobs. Does this match with homeostasis, organized, grow and develop, reproduction, adapt and evolve, cells, energy, or respond to the environment? The fifth column says you quickly pull your hand away when you touch a hot pan. Does this describe homeostasis, organized, grow and develop, reproduction, adapt and evolve, cells, energy, or respond to the environment? You quickly pull your hand away when you touch a hot pan. Which part of HOGRACER does that match with? The sixth column says over thousands and thousands of years, populations change in response to their environment. Does this match with homeostasis, organized, grow and develop, reproduction, adapt and evolve, cells, energy, or respond to stimuli? The second to last column says when you eat too much cake, insulin helps balance the sugar in your bloodstream. Your keyword is balance. So when you eat too much cake, insulin helps balance your sugar in your bloodstream. Is this homeostasis, organized, grow and develop, reproduction, adapt and evolve, cells, energy, or respond to the environment? Our last column in the matching section says a bacterium is made up of one, but you are made up of trillions. So bacteria is made of one, and you're made of trillions. Does this match with homeostasis, organized, grow and develop, reproduction, adapt and evolve, cells, energy, or respond to the environment? The next question says, which is required by all living things? Is it oxygen, movement, energy, or carbon dioxide? What is required by all living things? Right. The next one's a tricky one. Unlike other animals, mammals can sweat. The main benefit of sweating is that it removes dirt from the surface of the skin, it cools the skin with evaporation, it relaxes the muscles, or it removes extra water from the cells. Think about, where on your body do you find sweat? Is it on the inside or is it on top of your skin? Do you find sweat? And then think about the purpose of sweating. Right. Next question. The best example of the adapt and evolve characteristic of life is putting on a sweater because the temperature has dropped 10 degrees, elephants walking towards a watering hole because they are thirsty, dogs shedding their fur during the warmer months to better regulate their body temperature, or mice having different fur color after thousands of years to better hide from predators. Which is the best example for adapt and evolve? The next question says, which of the following characteristics of living things best explains why birds fly south for the winter? Is it living things respond to their environment, living things maintain internal balance, living things are made up of units called cells, or living things grow and develop? Which best explains why birds fly south for the winter? To be considered a living organism, how many characteristics of life must you have? At least one, at least half the characteristics, more than half, or all 8 characteristics. So how many characteristics of life, those HOGRACER terms, must you have? 1, half, more than half, or all 8? And then the last question, the process by which organisms keep their internal conditions balanced is called homeostasis, evolution, reproduction, or photosynthesis. The process by which organisms keep their internal conditions balanced. Right. Once you finish, don't forget to hit the submit button at the bottom and let me know that you finished it so I can go and grade it and put in the grade book.